Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to color code in Excel. So pen an Excel sheet. So let's say we want to color code this data. So first of all, we'll select the data and then we'll go to Home tab and to the Styles bar to Conditional Formatting. And from the color scales, we can select some default color scales. Let's just put it here. As you can see, it's done. You can go to these data bars and go to more rules, and from this format style you can click on 3 color scales and choose some colors from here too. Let's put some colors from here. Click on OK. So as you can see, as I have selected only this one, that's why this cell is colored. But you can color all of them with the same way. So yep, this is how you can color code in Excel. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.